Hello class, this is an update of what we are going to do during this week. This week that is, let me open here the calendar, is September 11. So all this week that is running here, we have two meetings, right? One tomorrow on September 12th and another one on Thursday on September 14th. So I just want to mention what is the plan for this week. Let me just go to our outline, course schedule. Well, we have covered already this and also this part. However, was pending last week one part of the transformation, that is translations. That is something that I'm going to cover tomorrow. Okay. And once that I finish that, I will go with this portion, 2.7. The main part is going to be 2.7. And if I don't have the time, so for Thursday, we have 2.6 and 2.8. Okay, but now, as you can see, 2.6, 2.7, and 2.8, this section from chapter number 2, is module number 2. It's another module, okay? So that module is already available in D2L for you guys, so you are more than welcome to review that. And let me just show you a little bit about the nodes, right? So we need to finish the nodes that involves vertical and horizontal translation of functions. That is the nodes for 2.7. We cover most of the other things that was 2.5 with linear equation, and I'm going to go back to there. So I will start, as I mentioned, with these nodes for 2.7. Remember that this week we're going to have the first sectional test. First sectional test is about module 1. Module 1, this portion here and this portion here, guys, okay? But we're going to start this week module number 2, which is sections 2.7, which is a continuation of transformations. In that continuation, we're going to review reflections, okay, and also squeezing and stretching of the functions, and then combination of terms. So if we have time tomorrow, I'm going to go through that with another node that is about section 2.7. And then we're going to end this week with sections 2.6 and sections 2.8. So I invite you to check the instructional material for this one, guys, okay? For the section 2.6, 2.7, and 2.8. Okay, the instructional material have the lectures. I'm going to show you the lectures now. Okay, and also the corresponding textbook. So read the sections in your textbook. So try to take advantage of the textbook. So let me go to the modules. Okay, table of contents. Here, let me go to here. Okay, so module 1, we still have some stuff for module 1, which is section 2.7. Section 2.7, as we're going to review tomorrow, is going to be about translations. I mean, vertical shift and horizontal shift. So we're going to go through there very quickly. And we have some exercise there to do. Okay? Notice that the exercise that I'm placed here are coming from a questionnaire that I create for you guys in my lag map. Okay, that questionnaire is available for you in homeworks, but that is not an assignment. That is something that I want to repeat. You don't have to do that, okay? This is just to make exercise in class. Okay, so this is for section 2.7 in module 1, that is translations, as I mentioned to you guys. And now it's available in module number 2. You can see here that it's available. It's not hidden, it's available for module number 2. That is the one that is going to start this week. And we're going to be working with this module number 2 for 2 weeks. This week and the next one. Okay, so this lecture is very good. I mean, I put a lot of detail in that lecture. I strongly suggest to you guys to go through the lectures. I have a very good examples there. Let me just open very quickly. So I have here piecewise functions, but I explain in detail the different types of the other transformation, which is stretching and squeezing and reflections. And I have very nice examples there, as you can see here in the lecture. So I strongly suggest you guys to review this in detail. Okay, so you have here how to approach when you have a squeezing of a stretching or reflection, the different type of steps that you need to follow. So it's a very nice lecture. Okay, but the notes that we are going to review are this one, which is again section 7, 6, and 8. 6 is a new one, which is piecewise functions, and 8 is composition function. That is something that probably I'm gonna talk about on Thursday. So I need to take a decision if we're gonna take the test in classroom, or probably I will give you some time that allows you to take the test at home. That is a decision that I need to take between today and tomorrow. Okay, but most likely tomorrow. I'm going to see how far we can go in the subjects during this week. Well, that's what I want to tell you guys. I'm sorry that I didn't write down an announcement. I prefer to make a video because it's gonna be easier for me. Okay, so well, see you tomorrow. Let me just show you here in assignments. Tomorrow I'm going to make another assignments for module number 2. I'm not going to assign anything today, so just try to get done with whatever is due for today. Okay, but this is the notes. Okay, this is the 2 assignments that I put here, that they are no assignments. Okay, they are no assignments. Those are the ones that I'm making reference in the notes just to practice. So we're gonna be working with this in class to practice. So make sure that you have your MyLab map ready to go through there, and we're gonna be working with these 2 guys in order to practice all the subjects that have to do with sections 2.7, 2.6, and 2.8 during this week. Okay, well, that's all what I have at this moment. Thank you and have a good night. Bye-bye.